This is the kit, and a new song called was Magician. I don't think it's about magic though. I think it's a metaphor, like most things. But maybe it is about magic. Who knows? Anyways, we do know the rhythm guitar is playing with a capo on the 3rd fret. So I found my capo, so I thought I'd start doing some lessons with that on. So when I say like E minor, I mean relative to the capo. We're going to pretend the capo is like the nut. So on the 2nd fret from the capo, we play our E minor. The song starts pretty mellow. She came into her power. She was younger than the others. Wasn't ready, slow learner. But the power, it was in her. Alright, just E minor to G is the verse. That repeats. There's 2 verses. And the 2nd verse ends, you know, she came into her power. Now it goes into a chorus, but it's just a very short one. And it goes, would shake the world down. So that's F, A minor, G. Okay, and that's going to come back later, so let's remember that. And then it repeats again. With hands holding out. This time, instead of going to the G, it goes F, A minor to the E minor. It's kind of going, because it's going to go back to another verse. Alright. So it goes back to another verse. She was looking for her scissors. Double-edged scissors. So there's a whole verse. Okay, so coming out of the 3rd verse, all right, we kind of go into this little section where it goes to F. And remember, it went to G the first time and then to E minor. But this time it does the opposite. It goes F, A minor, E minor. Horns are playing. So that repeats, and then they go into one more verse. All right, so let's talk about that second extended. First time it goes F, A minor to E minor, and that repeats. A minor, G, and this is, then it goes to C, F, G, and just repeats. The horns are playing. It's beautiful. There's a lead guitar and then also with the horns, all right? there is a second guitar. The guitarist is playing a Stratocaster, and he's doing these double stops on the high E and B string. And that's at the 3 frets up from the capo, 5 frets up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frets up. So basically these are major pentatonic shapes. Those are some double stops you can play on the D and the G. So that would be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 7. D, you're just barring the D and the G at 5. And then you're going to come up to the 9 and the 10. And then you go down here to the 2nd and 3rd frets from the capo. You can also get these notes and get them down here. If you want to just briefly skip down to your B and G string at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret. Something like that, you know, to emulate the horns. But it's a great song. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.